To watch all the latest videos from Bongo Swag, please subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get all the notifications. You are watching Bongo Swag. Hey guys, this is Devashish and you are watching me on Bongo Swag. So today I have received a product from Amazon and I wanna show you the unboxing. Let's start it. So this is Livon Hair Gain Tonic for Men's, which will accelerate your hair growth and controls your hair fall in just 90 days. It is non-sticky and it has a pleasant fragrance. And the best part is there's no side effect with this. Here is the 7 benefits. Here is how you can use it direct to your scalp for best result.
When I look in your eyes, I see.
Here is the capsule look like.
As a throne from Mars.
And if you remove the capsule, you can see this nozzle on the top, which will help you use it properly. So here I am using it. Let's open the cap, open the nozzle and use it direct to your scalp and then rub it with your hands. That's it. Isn't it easy? So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel, and this product has been sent to me by Home Teaser Club. If you want to receive some goodies and products, you simply can go to the description. I have put the link over there. Thank you for watching.